Got something a little different here today. We just picked up this little motorbike. It's a 1968 Honda 90 trail bike. CT90 trail. It's funny. Me and Mike have been looking for one of these to tool around the shows for years, and everybody wants too much, or we just can't find anything. And this one was literally a quarter mile from Mike's house, and it happened to be his friend. His friend owned it, and he's a farmer. So this was in his barn. So this is a legitimate barn find, and got a pretty good deal on it. Gonna need some work. The back tire looks good, but the front tire had a lot of cracking in it, and it doesn't have a title. And I think I'm going to try and get a title for it, because it was licensed and registered at one time. So I don't know what's going to be involved with that, but we're happy with it. So I'm going to try and get it out while it's raining out here, but we got a little break. It's a very slight mist. So we're going to try and take it out of the truck, bring it inside. Maybe we'll take a better look at it, clean it up. Matter of fact, it's a little wet right now, but it actually had the original dirt and dust on it. Been sitting, I think it's been sitting for 20 years or so. All right, let me try and get that out of there. We'll see you inside. All right, yeah, I was able to get it in just before it started raining. As soon as I got in the garage door, it started raining again, but we did all right. All right, I took a quick look over it, and it's actually in pretty good shape. I have the covers for it right here, side covers, and they're in good shape. And I did notice it has a key start, and there's a key broken off in there, so I don't have the key for that. So we're gonna have to do something with that. You can turn it off and on, because with the blank stuck in there, it'll turn the tumblers. But we want to get a key. This bike didn't have a title, and I think I'm going to try and get a title. I think you can still get them for under 300 bucks. But looks like back here, the last time it was registered was 1971, Pennsylvania. So it's been out of service for a while. And the tire's in good shape. The rear tire is in real good shape. Still has little nubs on the side and everything. And it's holding air. I'll put air in it. Front tire is another story. It's holding air. And it's got great tread on it and stuff like that. Even it still has the little nubs on the tire, But it's got some major cracking and dry rotting here on the sides. It's funny, I bet you that both tires were put on at the same time. They're probably original, and yet the back looks perfect and the front's all dry rotted. So, like I say, we're just going to tool around shows with it, and if we can get a title, then we'll hit the road. Then we'll worry about getting a new tire for the back. But we are going to get a new tire for the front. But I've been looking over it, and it's pretty clean. I wanted to try to get it in without getting it wet. So, right now, I'm going to clean it, but it's going to be like cleaning mud. It's got thick dust on it, and a lot of it would have blew off. But hey, we do what we can. I guess first thing we'll do, we got to buy a battery for it. Let's go around the other side here. They have 6-volt batteries. They run off 6 volts. So we'll get that. We'll take the carburetor off and clean that. It's funny. It's been sitting for 15 years, I think. And let's look at the gasoline. I'm going to stick this right down in there. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's got about a quarter of a tank in it, and it's crystal clear. I don't know if this light will work better. No. It does have a little smell to it. Really not bad for considering what it is, which surprised me. But no varnish, nothing on the bottom. So I'm going to have to drain that and just put new gas in there. I think we'll be okay with that. And this little passenger seat's in good shape. That'll take good cleaning. And this seat here looks like it got a rip in it and they put some tape on it. Other than that, got a tiny little rip right here. And right here it's starting to separate. But the foam feels good. But I know a good upholsterer could take care of that. Make it look brand new. Even says Honda on there. If you look, did I leave the light on? I think I left the light on there. There we go. If you look a little close, it says Honda. We can take care of that too. Alright, but for now, let's see what we got. 3,100 miles on it. Alright, yeah, nothing seems to be locked up. Let's go around here. It's a kickstart, no electric, just kick. Got good compression. Real good compression. So, alright, first thing we're going to do is I'm going to try and wipe this down, clean it down. So, I think it's going to look pretty good when we get done. Alright, let me clean it up and then maybe I'll show it to you when we get done. Alright. Alright, it's been a few days now and I got a few things in the mail. I got the battery, so I put a battery in and put that side cover on. And put this side cover on and I got a key. I was able to get, here's the old key. I was able to get that out of the ignition or whatever you want to call that thing. It's only an on-off switch really. And here's on, here's off. So yeah, with the battery in there, got the dash panel working. You can see the neutral switch, the green neutral switch. And then you got the lights here. It's all a good sign. There's a low beam. And there's the high beam. And there's off. So that's good. And also, I took the tail light off and cleaned that up a little bit. And here's the brake. The brake works good. So, you know what? I didn't see if the... Yeah. Okay. Yeah, the tail light goes on when you put the light on. So, that's good. Every little bit helps. Also, cleaned that little grill there and painted up the 90 on there. Made that look good. There's a horn behind there, but I don't see any horn button. I do see some kind of hole here on the wire, so maybe it came up here to a button. We'll see. We'll fix that. But like I say, we got a few things in the mail, and one of them was a tire. And we got a tire. We're going to try and put that on the front today, so we'll see how that goes. Also, I bought one of these motorcycle hitch carriers. You stick this in your trailer hitch in the back, and you're supposed to be able to carry this thing. This thing only weighs 190 pounds, so it shouldn't be too much trouble. But let's... I took the airbox off, cleaned that, so the filter's good on there. I didn't do anything with the gas. Still has the same original gas in there, so we're gonna have to do something with that. I didn't want to mess with it because I don't think I have the right size gas lines, and I think to clean that and dump it out, I might have to disconnect this whole top half here, and then here are the gas lines here, and they are a little stiff. So, all right, let's start with the tire. We'll take the tire off and put a new one on and see how it goes. Yeah, it cleaned up pretty good. I didn't get crazy with it. You know, I didn't polish the chrome or even the engine. I didn't even clean the engine, but you know, just wanted to get the dust off it so I could work on it. All right, we'll turn these on. We got something to say. All right, yeah, we got the front wheel off. It took a little doing, but not too bad. Instead of telescope suspension on the front of this has Springer, almost like the old Harley Davidson. They actually had a spring going in the middle there, and it rocks back and forth on these things here. Pretty interesting. All right, let's see what's going on over here. Sorry about the camera work, but I'm working alone here. All right, I'm filming this more for myself than for you guys, in case something falls out of this. We'll know how it goes back. So this is the brakes. Got this little thing covering the bearing there. Let's take this out. All right. Actually, the shoes ain't too bad. There's seals in there. Okay. I'll stick it right over here. And then this looks like the speedometer gear. Huh. That looks like it's supposed to sit in these little, let me put some lights on here. Looks like it's supposed to sit in these little seats here. Okay. That must have just jumped out. You know what? I can re-grease this and everything before I put it back in. Alright, so it looks like nothing's going to fall out there. The drum is actually in excellent condition. Well, it only has 3,000 miles on it, right? Alright, let's see what we got over here. Just a spacer. Alright, not too bad. Alright, let's take his wheel off, his tire off, and replace it. Alright, yeah, it wasn't too bad. The tire came off pretty good. And the tube is in good shape. There are no patches in it, and it's pliable, so we're going to reuse it. And you know, like I say, we're not going to take this out on the highway or anything like that. We're going to drive around shows. So if I was going to take it out on the highway, I probably would have replaced the tube and spoke liner here. But it looks like a lot of rust here, but it's not. It's like right here. It's like some kind of rubber. But there is looks like a light coat of rust. But actually under here, you guys hanging in? You guys with me? Under here, it's pretty nice. So even this spoke protector is good shape. All right. Oh, you know what? Let me get this out of the way. You know what? I'm gonna take you guys off of the stand here. So hold on. You still with me? Hold on. Whoa. Here's the date on this tire. And I don't know how to decipher this one. Looks like it says ABB 304. So if any of you guys know what that means, let me know. Because like on this new one here, I know how to decipher the newer ones. I don't know when they changed their system. But here's the DOT and stuff like that. But that number there, it's 4421, and I think that's the 44th month of 2021. So this tire's been on the shelf a couple of years, which ain't bad. Like I say, it's in good shape. I hope it is, right? Well, it's supposed to be brand new. All right, I'm gonna clean that rim up. That's gonna take me probably an hour or so to clean that properly. And then we'll put this thing on. Alright, so like I say, any of you guys know how to decipher them numbers there, you let me know how old that tire is. Alright, yeah, we cleaned that rim up and put the tire on and filled it up with air, and I even I didn't polish it, but I tried to get some of the dirt off. I didn't even get to the hub, but I cleaned the rim up a little bit, and it looks okay. And greased it up, put the brakes on, adjusted the brakes. Here we go. So that'll be okay. All right. I'm probably not going to get to the clean that gas tank and getting it started for a little bit. Maybe tonight. Little dirt bike and daddy dirt bike coming over, so maybe we'll do that. I don't know, but I don't know how long this video is. But I didn't plan on doing all this. I was just going to show you what we picked up. But figure what the heck, right? All right. What do you guys say? Enough of this? All right. See you in the next one.